Hey guys, so today we are going to be learning about one of your vocabulary words, sturdy. Sturdy means strong. This means that sturdy and strong are synonyms. Remember, a synonym is different words that mean the same thing. Here's an example. If a table has a wobbly leg and someone leans on it or sets something down on it and the table falls, it is not a sturdy table because this table is not strong enough to hold that person up or that object up. If a table is standing up strong and supported, people leaning on it and everything, this table is sturdy. Remember, sturdy means strong. Here's some practice. I'm going to read through all of these. I want you to do them on your own and write down whether you think this object is sturdy or not sturdy. Sam leaned on a desk. The desk fell over. Was the desk sturdy or not sturdy? Number 2. Sam leaned on another desk. It did not move. Was the desk sturdy or not sturdy? Number 3. The house of sticks blew over in the storm. Was the house sturdy or not sturdy? Number 4. The house of bricks did not move in the storm. Was the house sturdy or not sturdy? Remember to put for each of these questions whether you think that object was sturdy or not sturdy. Here are your answers. Number 1. Sam leaned on a desk. The desk fell over. The desk was not sturdy because it fell over. Number 2. Sam leaned on another desk. It did not move. This desk was sturdy because the desk did not move. Number 3. The house of sticks blew over in the storm. This means it is not sturdy because the house did not stay up during the storm. Number 4. The house of bricks did not move in the storm. This means that that house of bricks was sturdy. And that's the word sturdy.